On this episode of Designing Spaces, we've called on award-winning designer Jennifer Bertrand to create the ultimate Space Jam, a new legacy room makeover for a special South Florida family.
We are a family of 5, 3 beautiful boys, born and raised here in Miami, Florida. The boys need the makeover because they decided they wanted to be in a room together. And with 3 of them in one room, you can kind of imagine it's been kind of tight. And now Danny's segueing into that age where, he needs a more grown-up room. So if he wants to stay with his brothers, we think this would be a great idea to give him the most space to have fun in and play games in.
Their sons, Daniel, Andre, and Adrian, are all huge basketball enthusiasts and absolutely love Lebron James. The boys have absolutely no clue that their room is going to be decked out, inspired by the new Space Jam, a new legacy film. Now that Jen is almost there, the boys are heading out so that the ladies can get to work.
Bye!
Let the fun begin.
I'm excited to see the room.
I'm excited to show it to you. So this is their room.
I love that 3 boys fit in here.
Absolutely tight, but they fit.
I know, right? We want to get a whole young boy lifestyle moment in here, but 3 boys, growing boys, is hard to do it. Now, let me ask you this. Who sleeps where currently?
Well, currently Adrian, the smallest 6-year-old, sleeps here. Daniel sleeps on the lower bunk, he's 9, and then Andre, who's 8, sleeps on the top bunk.
If I can make one of them like a hideaway trundle, would that work okay?
That would work perfectly.
Okay. I might try that just for the sake of having space to also chillax and hang out.
Right.
And then we'll probably do something to the closet. Is there anything I can't touch or do? I should start with that?
No, you're kind of entitled to do whatever you want. I'm gonna admit I'm gonna give it all to you and then just cross my fingers.
You are speaking my love language. This is amazing.
While Marisol works on decluttering the room and creating more space, Jennifer goes straight for her paintbrush, adding vibrant colors and texture to what was once just a blank canvas.
In a boy's room, you want to have a calming place to sleep, and then you want to have some color and happiness, because no kid says, my room is the perfect shade of gray. The Space Jam bedding has some color and pattern on it, so I thought what better than to do a color portal by the door and into the closet. So fingers crossed that I'm good at what I do and it looks good.
Now that Jen is done with the walls, it's time to get the new furniture in and bring the room to life with some innovative decor elements and loads of Space Jam, a new legacy products.
So here's the thing, we're almost done with the makeover. Now it's time to start putting in the decor and accessories, all the fun stuff that I love. I was able to shop at Walmart and Walmart.com to get all of this fun stuff, which, oh my gosh, who doesn't want their own little LeBron?
Oh my God, it's amazing.
I love Space Jam because honestly, only LeBron could be the one to carry it and pull it off. So now there's a whole new legacy that's gonna love Space Jam. Look at this.
They are excited. They are excited with the new movie coming out, that's for sure.
With just a couple of hours left before the big reveal, Jen and Marisol kick into overdrive and race to put the final touches on everything.
What just happened in here?
Do you love it?
Yes!
And Adrian, you have a secret bed.
What do you think?
Oh, you do!
How do we do? Does it look the same at all?
No!
Can I just tell you how many cool things you have from the new Space Jam movie? You've got stuff for school, stuff for games, toys.
I mean taking out of the shoe.
Look at it. Go ahead. Start looking at it.
Do you want to revamp your child's room with a Space Jam theme? Visit walmart.com/Space Jam and shop all of your favorite Space Jam, a new legacy products. Stay tuned for a sneak peek of Space Jam, a new legacy, in theaters and on HBO Max July 16th.